Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Aliexpress coins at checkout. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Aliexpress, click the sign up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Well, you're good to go. Now, AliExpress coins can be redeemed for discounts on your purchases, allowing you to save money on your orders. And by using coins, you can maximize the value of your purchases, effectively lowering the overall cost and making your budget go further. Now, when you hover to your account, I need you to go to the coins or my coin section. What will happen is you would be able to see how many coins do you have right now. And as you can see, with your daily check-in, when you visit every day and earn up to 40 coins, and I have like plus 20 coins, all I'm gonna do is click on the collect button and it will be forwarded to my coins balance here. All right, now again, you can use the coins for discounts. For example, we went over to the merchants and I wanted to buy a specific product, like maybe, I don't know, like the iPhone case here. Let me see if we can pull through a discounted price using the AliExpress coins. Now let me just click on this one and add it to my cart. Now add it to cart. It's been added now. Now let's try to click on the buy now option and use our coins, if you can use it. Now you see you have the payment methods here. You can enter your promo code if you have. Now the thing is, if you can't find the coins in this specific product, that means they are not accepting coins as a form of discount. All you're gonna do, don't worry, because go back to the merchants section and let's just choose a product that accepts coins. All right, well, let's search for it. Now on your AliExpress app, all right, just go to the coin section. As you can see, I got so many coins right now because of my daily check-ins, right? I must skip that for now. You can collect again many coins as you want, especially if you check in. Now you can use the money or the coins to get discounts. As you can see, you can use coins for discount, and there's going to be the discount finder. For example, this one wanted to purchase this specific items, and from here you can choose all these choices and platforms. When you click on the buy now option, just click on continue. What will happen is, and at the checkout process, the final steps, use the coins, of course, to get discounts. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.